Welcome to Piano and Voice with Brenda. I'm Brenda Earle Stokes, and I'm so glad you have discovered my website. I'm a singer, pianist, songwriter, and educator with over 30 years of experience. When I'm not performing or recording, I am hard at work teaching students one-on-one, creating effective educational resources, and developing tutorials and courses that serve folks worldwide. I have a very diverse and eclectic background as a musician. My initial training was in classical piano, but both my undergrad and my master's degree are in jazz piano. I've also had the great pleasure of working in nearly every field of music, including sing-along piano bars, rock bands, working as a classical choral conductor, early childhood educator, and headliner and side person at jazz clubs and festivals all around the globe. I've also studied vocal pedagogy at an advanced level and am able to translate voice science into exercises and techniques that help to develop and strengthen people's vocal abilities as well. I've used this broad education and experience to develop teaching methods that have helped hundreds of folks to become the musicians that they have always dreamed of. Whether you're a curious beginner or seasoned professional, I have the skills and experience to help you succeed. I offer one-on-one lessons here in my cozy studio in Manhattan, New York, and worldwide via Zoom and Google Meet with my state-of-the-art equipment. My online membership, The Versatile Musician, boasts an incredible collection of courses in piano skills, musicianship, ear training, jazz, pop, and much, much more. I also have a collection of great free resources, including a variety of free downloads on different subjects, and my blog, which is chock full of videos from my very popular YouTube channel. Have a look around and let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help.